So the cost of house rent in London can vary widely depending on factors such as location, size, and amenities. On average, a one-bedroom apartment in London is around £1,200 to £2,000 per month. Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be reacting to this £15 hostel in London. You guys will see the £15 hostel, what it looks like. I feel like with the situation of things and what's happening currently in the UK, this video will be useful for people coming to the UK or people already in the UK having issue with accommodation. Hi everybody, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real G. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Episode React with Ella. Like I said, I'll be reacting to this £15 hostel in London. You guys will also leave me your own opinion or comment on the description below. So let's watch the video together, guys.
I stayed in a £15 hostel and it turned out to be one of the worst experiences of my life. My name is Basario. Welcome to this chaotic hostel experience. I needed to do something in London, so my best bet was getting an affordable accommodation to stay, which turned out to be the worst nightmare of my life. Trust
for me, the entrance is not looking bad.
The facility was neat.
Well, the hostel is not looking bad.
Before I dive into more detail, have a quick look at what the hostel looks like.
People's posts, people that live in Dubai, but it's looking okay. Honestly, £15 in London. It's cheap, in fact. £15 times it in a month. How much do you now pay? This is okay, to be honest. Well, she says somebody's snoring. What do you expect in such place?
Oh my god, somebody's snoring. As soon as I heard someone snoring, I knew I was in for a big problem because I cannot sleep when somebody's snoring. Like, I can't just sleep. Guys, am I the only one? I had a very bad sleep.
It's not loud though. God, this well.
Yeah, no, just try this again. This was my face the next morning, and this is what I have to say after checking out. Oops.
I'm on my way now. Will I ever be staying at that hostel? No, honestly. I think it's better I sleep in my house. Wake up very early. Even if I want to travel to like anywhere, wake up very early, like 3 a.m. and travel instead of trying to stay in that hostel. I would never ever try that again because I had the worst night of my life. People that snore should be banned. People that snore should be banned from staying in that kind of hostel. The hostel is okay, trust me, very neat, everything is neat, but the fact that I cannot just sleep when people snore, I can't. Like, it's very difficult for me. So yeah, that's it. That's an experience.
Have you guys slept in this kind of?
Hi guys, so today's video is sponsored by FlexiSpot. Are you a mom? Are you a student? Do you have an office at home? If yes, then this video is for you. Today I'm here to introduce to you our E7 standing decks. So this desk comes in 2 pieces. So easy to assemble. So if you're a student, in fact, this standing desk is multi-purpose. You can use it with the kids. And you know why? Because you can make it to go higher or you can make it to go lower. This is a must-have. If you go on their website now, they are currently on massive sale. Guys, you all need to check them out. I am going to leave a link on the description below for easy access. Honestly, this is the best part that I love because the fact that I can make this to go high is something I love, and that is why I said everybody can use it. You can use it as your game table. You can use it for the kids. For the kids, I mean, you can put it down. Just press down here and it's going down. You can see what's happening here. So this is where all the magic happens. Here you can see standing mode, sitting mode, and if you want it to be locked, you can just press this. You just press it for a few seconds, and as soon as you press it for a few seconds, you can see the light turns on. That means it cannot go up or down. Can you see? Then you have to unlock it, especially if you have got kids. This is definitely worth having. And by the side here, you can use it as charging spots. For example, if you want to charge your phone, your battery is down, your laptop, you can use this place to charge your laptop, your phone, whatever gadget you're using. Guys, they've got a lot on their website. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link for easy access on the description below. Go check them out and thank me later.
Well guys, that is it for this video. So guys, let me share my own honest opinion on this video. You guys can see the name of the hostel or hotel, or I don't know, this is the name. And what happened was that Busayo, she lived in Oxford, and she said she wanted doing something in London and she don't want to go back to Oxford the same day. Do you get? And so many persons do that, especially people going to London to renew their passport, because I remember the same thing happened to me. People like to, you know, spend the night there, or if they got any accommodation issue. Obviously, you live in a hotel or service apartment. You all know how, you know, that cost in London is very, very expensive. So with Bisaya, she decided to pay for £15 per night, and she complained that the place was horrible, that she would never go there, stories like that, blah blah blah. But personally, I was like, honestly speaking, that place is affordable. It is affordable and it's clean. In London, what did in London, £15 per night? So if you were timesing it in a week, so with that type of apartment, in 1 week you're paying £105, because the £15 per night honestly is not bad, especially with the fact that we know that London is very, very expensive. So if you're stranded, instead of you living in bus station on the road, you're better off paying £15 per night and sleep in that hostel or hotel, I don't know. At the same time, you should expect anything in places like that. People snore, just like she said, she cannot sleep in a place where people snore. Honestly speaking, it's hard. When I'm with people that snore, it's hard for me to sleep. So if you're paying £15 for such hostel or apartment or accommodation, you should expect so many things, to be honest. And like I said, that apartment was clean. Well, to me, I feel like it was clean. It was not too bad. They've got their own small locker. They've got their own small locker, which is okay. Like if you've got a suitcase, a bag, at least you can put it in that locker. So yeah, I just feel the need to react to this video, because when I was watching it, I was like, sister, why are you complaining when you pay £15 per night? I don't know, what were you expecting? Because personally, if you tell me to pay £15 in London, I'll be shocked. Yes, I'll be shocked. I'll be like, I want to see that kind of place, because a place where you pay you know what, £15 is what you pay per hour at work. For me personally, I would say it's not bad for £15 in London. So if you're watching this video, leave me a comment, your thoughts on this £15 hostel in London. Will you book for accommodation there, or will you refer someone that hostel? Leave me your opinion on the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next episode. Bye guys.